Welcome back again, guys. Alright, so today we're not going to be talking about a printer or software update or something like that. We're talking about what we can do with this. This is a Venturi Mask that's being used for COVID-19 patients. I have some people that I know in the medical community, and I was able to get my hands on a Venturi Mask, and I've been working on it. This is the actual mask here. They say that this is the same mask that's used on a lot of other ventilator masks and things like that, so at least at the time being they don't need a lot of these. Same with this tube here. Though anything we can reverse engineer, anything we can figure out to replicate these obviously is helpful. This is the oxygen tube that hooks up to the wall, and the way these work is this hooks up to the wall, and you have these Venturi tubes here. Anybody that knows how a Venturi system works knows you have a little nozzle in there that shoots air, and then because that's moving quickly, you get suction that pulls more air in. Now these are different colors for different flow sizes and regulations, and you have this little collar here that goes on, and using these little windows here controls how much air comes through. So the assembled unit and this is to prevent the holes from being included. Looks something like this. The valves that were put in Italy were these Venturi valves for a different type of machine. The advantage of this type of mask and setup is that anybody with an oxygen supply can have a metered and controlled amount of oxygen mixed with normal air to be able to survive if they're having respiratory problems. Now obviously the part that we can help the most with is the Venturi valve itself, as we know already from Italy. I've been playing around with that, and I have my own model which needs work, to be frank. And I hope to have a working example of this done by tonight, so that it can be tested tomorrow in a local hospital by medical staff, not on a patient, anything else like that. And hopefully it will never need to be used, but that way, in case we need to be prepared, we can be. And when this gets tested, either way I'm releasing it, hopefully so it can get tweaked and tuned by you guys, or so that it can be printed and distributed. Of course I still need to model the cone here, which shouldn't be too hard, but what I need help with you guys is maybe not necessarily printing, but just finding a source for these. I will post in the video comments the ID of this tube, and figure out a source for these guys here, and figure out a source for these oxygen masks. In terms of these Venturi tubes, they are all identical except for the holes in the Venturi down in there. But yeah, this is all we need. Please do let me know. I need you guys' help to make this happen. So let me know where we can find sources for these parts, and updates about this, the actual Venturi design itself. Let me know. This is a very poor print that was printed very quickly just to see how it would fit together, see if my model would work. But yeah guys, let me know. Alright, thanks.